Shall we open the blue egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It is a motorcycle!
Wow! Yay! A motorcycle!
This college boy rides his motorcycle to travel to college and to visit his friends. Hi!
Hi. Hi.
Let's open the green egg next.
Okay! Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the green egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It is a car!
Wow! Yay!
A car! Mom drives the car to take the kids to school. Let's open the purple egg next.
Okay! Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the purple egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It's a Jeep!
Wow! Yay! A Jeep!
Dad uses the Jeep to take the kids on a drive across the hilly terrain. Let's open the orange egg next.
Okay! Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the orange egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It is a minivan!
Wow! Yay! A minivan!
The mom uses the minivan to go shopping and to take the kids camping.